the day that marks as the nation solemnly observes and commemorates the 26th Kargil Vijay Divas, a day that is etched in India's history as a symbol of pride and valor. It commemorates the remarkable victory of 1999, when Indian soldiers, our brave hearts, defying harsh terrain, unrelenting enemy fire, reclaimed the icy heights of Kargil with extraordinary courage and steadfast determination. On 26th of July, the tricolour once again rises high above the rugged Ladakh mountains, representing sacrifice, bravery, resilience, and enduring the spirit of the nation as the nation marks the glorious memory of India's victory. Let's get in a word as far as the ground report that has been filed by my colleague Sahil from the report that has come in from Dras today commemorating Kargil Vijay Divas.
We are reporting from Dras on the eve of Kargil Vijay Divas. Indian Army is basically showcasing its capabilities now. In fact, all modern warfare gadgets on display. Drone that has become the integral part of Army's combat. In fact, we have seen in recent Operation Sindoor, all these modern, equipments were put to ease. We have these robots which basically help Indian Army to scale mountains and in fact help them to take these supplies from bases to all these mountain peaks. Back 26 years back, we had seen our army, basically soldiers, engaging in hand-to-hand combat and in fact reclaiming all these mountain peaks, be it Tolo Link or Tiger Hill or Batra top. But after 26 years, there's a lot of change, and in fact now Indian Army is relying on modern warfare gadgets. In recent Operation Sindoor, we had seen the role played by drone surveillance equipments. Apart from surveillance, in fact, on both sides of line of control, now we have, in fact, the Indian Army has conducted drone equipments to carry out assault or kinetic actions on both sides. In fact, across the line of control, we have seen in Operation Sindoor how drone helped Indian Army to target the Pakistani air bases across Pakistan, be it Rahim Yar Khan or any other. Now, all these drone cameras are basically drone equipments are basically part and parcel of Indian Army, and they are being put to action when it is required. And in recent Operation Sindoor, we had seen these drones basically being used, one for surveillance, second for mapping of mountains or along the line of control. Then these equipments are also being used to basically lift supplies from bases towards the forward positions along the line of control. So all these drone equipments are put into action here in Dras on the eve of Kargil Vijay Divas. It is to showcase the modern warfare equipments that Indian Army has. One, to basically showcase the capabilities that Army has. And we had seen after Operation Sindoor, DRDO and other agencies have basically started enhancing, producing more these equipments which are now part of Indian Army's combat actions, and these drones are helping Indian Army to carry out actions at the same time that helpful in high altitude warfare areas like Dras and Kargil, where it's extremely difficult or weather makes it extremely difficult to for soldiers to scale these mountains. So apart from enhancing infrastructure in these high mountain peaks or in this difficult terrain, Indian Army is also putting these drones to use to keep the area under surveillance, to map the mountains, and in fact as and when required, like we have seen in Operation Sindoor, to put them into action and do kinetic actions or do the counter-insurgency or counter-actions whenever it is required. And in Operation Sindoor, we had seen these drones basically playing a crucial role when it comes to taking action against the enemy.
Well, on the 26th Kargil Vijay Divas, the legacy of our valor and the sacrifice of our brave hearts is not only a tale of the past, but vibrantly also alive. Reinforced with such recent events such as Operation Sindoor, India has come a long way in the last 26 years. Paying tributes and marking and commemorating Kargil Vijay Divas is Union Home Minister Amit Shah, where he goes on to say that Kargil Vijay Divas is an unforgettable day of pride and the saga of a victory of our nation's brave soldiers. In the year 1999, our soldiers, through Operation Vijay, brought the enemy to their knees, setting an indelible example of indomitable courage and valor. On the occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas, I pay tribute to all those brave heroes who made the ultimate sacrifice for the defense of the motherland, and the nation will forever remain indebted to your sacrifice and to your dedication as well. The Indian Air Force, meanwhile, has also paid a heartfelt tribute to the brave hearts of the Kargil war, honoring their valor and sacrifice, calling them as the eternal symbol of courage. The Indian Air Force says that their legacy continues to unite and inspire the nation.
हमारी विजय निश्चित है और हम विजयी होकर दिखाएंगे।